Something about crossing your legs makes it feel so much more ladylike. Going to the bar and butterfly squats. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I am finally trying to get back up on my uploading schedule, and we are getting back on the workout videos. Just getting straight into it. Today's video is I will be testing some TikTok workout video tutorials, I guess. Now, I'm not doing these for like a week or anything. I'm just going to try them for one day, see how they feel. I will be just telling you what I think of each one, how effective I think it could be, how does it actually, like, do I feel a burn, you know? Because sometimes these videos have me not feeling anything, and I'm just like, I'm not that in shape. I should feel this. So that's what I'm going to be testing out today so that you don't have to. So I have a few videos on my phone right here, and those are the videos that I am going to be using for today's challenge. Also, I have a new bedroom, so look out for that video coming on Thursday, and I am going to show you my entire redecorating process. I am in love. But this is not what this video is about. It is about working out, so that's what we're going to get to right now. Alright everybody, so I have my yoga mat. We are going to lay it down, get started. I am a little nervous because I'm not going to lie, I haven't been working out as much, which is why there hasn't been a lot of content. I've just been extremely stressed out. And like I said in my other videos, like my Chloe Ting video, if you haven't seen that, click on the card. If you are not in the mental place to put yourself through a rigorous workout routine, or like, I need to get in shape, let me ignore all my other mental problems, just don't. So I just didn't. So this is my way of getting back into it. Alright, enough talking. Alright, so we are ready to get started. I am going to do the 10-minute at-home ab challenge. This was one of the ones that immediately stood out to me. I just think it looks really fun, really doable. Let's kind of watch this video to get an idea of what I have to do. Alright, let's just take a look. Okay. Oh, these actually burn. These actually burn. Those burn. You guys know my wrists aren't the best, so we're going to have to modify that. Okay. That seems doable. Doable. Those burn, but doable. That's the point. Oof. Alright. Alright, rest then repeat once more. Alright, so we watched the video. It seems doable, definitely doable. Seemed like one of the ones that stood out the most to me, so I'm really excited to try this. Also, if my hair gets lopsided, I'm gonna apologize now. There is no hair tie in my hair. It is solely being supported, very weakly supported by bobby pins, so that's my situation. That's all I'm gonna say. But that's my situation. Alright, so I am on the floor. We are about to get started. I'm gonna angle myself because we don't want a crotch shot to the camera. That's just not, it's not the look I'm going for. So we're gonna angle myself so you guys don't get that. Alright, knee roll-ups, 30 seconds. Here we go. Hey Siri, set a timer for 30 seconds.
Your timer is set for 30 seconds.
I'm already shaking. It's quite literally been 5 seconds. Okay, it's the first move and I'm already dying. Those knee roll-ups actually always do get me, so for some reason, those kill me. Alright, jackknife, 30 seconds. Let's hit it.
The timer's now running for 30 seconds.
I have to do fists because of my wrist. So if you have bad wrist, welcome to the club. It's nice to meet you. I'm Kaylin. These burn so bad. Okay, the single leg crunch. 15 seconds each leg. That does not seem bad. So we're gonna set a timer for 30 seconds. Oh wait, that is hard. Am I doing it right? That was not easy. That does not seem bad. I just saw where it says rest for 30 seconds after each exercise, but I was probably already doing that anyway. Toe touch roll-ups, 30 seconds. Something about crossing your legs makes it feel so much more ladylike. Flutter kicks. Alright, so round 1 kicked my tuchus, so it's time to do round 2 of this, but I'm just going to speed through this one because you've seen me do it once. I don't think you need to see me do it a second time. Here's round 2. Okay, first, I need water. Alright, so thoughts on that one. Kicked my behind. If you, especially if you're like me and a beginner and you're looking for something that's quick and easy but is effective, I would definitely say check this one out. Wow, I'm out of shape, guys. You know, I guess from here we can only go up. At least let me think that way. It really, really targeted my lower ab. I am going to move on to a glute workout. So let's take a look at this video together just so you have an idea of what this is supposed to look like, because who's to say I'm gonna do it right? Okay. This should be good for my legs too. Ooh, those burn. So do those. And, okay, alright, well that's not bad. Okay, except she wants us to do it 4 times, so I'm gonna do this video out of order because I'm too lazy to stand up right now, and once I stand up, I'm not gonna wanna come back down. So I am going to do all of the stuff that's on the floor first, and then I will stand up and do the rest. The even more lazy way to go about it is to just do all 4 sets of the bottom stuff and then move up. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do just because I'm tired and lazy. So I'm gonna just start off in the middle of this video with the donkey kicks and like the fire hydrant kicks, and then I'm gonna do 4 sets of those down here, and then I'm gonna stand up and do the side lunges and the squats, and then 4 sets of those. 2, 3. This is gonna hurt in the morning. Just those alone absolutely kill. I just wanted to pop in here and say, do not underestimate the power of the side kick. Okay, so I'm down here because I just needed a moment off of my hips. Time to stand up. I don't know if I regret doing that altogether or if it was better. I'm just going to move to the standing up workout. Okay, so I am done with that workout now. I don't know why I'm not sweating. It's probably because I have my fan and my AC on. Don't do that if you're working out. You'll probably get sick, and everybody will think you have a virus. You probably don't if you sneeze outside. So do not follow after my lead. We're gonna move to the next one. I just realized I'm kind of like hitting all the 4 main areas of my body, so I'm gonna just keep rolling with that. So the next thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna find an arm workout we can pump weight free. Alright everyone, so I just found this really easy, simple arm workout. The only thing is I can't do the plank. There's a plank. We will see the plank in a second. I will show you the plank in a second. But I can't do the plank, so I'll just repeat one of the moves. Again, my wrist. I have very bad wrist if you aren't aware. I've been told I've had arthritis, but I'm not sure. It's okay. We modify, and I know some of you are right there with me. Alright, let's just watch the video now. Okay, cool. Okay, I've seen these. Definitely those. That's new. Can't do that, as we've discussed. It's really simple. So we're just gonna do this arm, and how many times does it say to repeat? Does it say? Alright, so it doesn't say anything about how many reps I should do, so I'm just going to do what's in the video. That is the point of me doing this video, is I am testing these videos and what they're telling me to do. So let's just get started, I guess, with this one round of arms. This one burns. I've never done this before, and it really burns. They're dipping. They're dipping. Okay, so for this last one, since I can't do the shoulder taps, I think I'm just going to redo this one, because that one burned. So we're just going to redo that one. Oh my God! My teacher says make noise when you're in pain. Just let it out through sound. Alright, so that one was really short. I will give you my thoughts at the end about them all, but I will say now, definitely do this one twice. It's just so short, I'd do it a few times. Okay, so for this leg area, the area that I want to focus on is my inner thighs. I struggle so much with my inner thighs. My outer thighs, at least when I did dance, used to build very easily, very well. It's just these inner thighs, they just can't let go. So we're gonna do this inner leg workout from Blogilates, and I've been watching her since I was in middle school. Not to say I've been doing the workout since in middle school, but I've been watching her since middle school. So we're gonna do one of her workouts. This is also some dance moves. Like I said, I used to be a dancer. This last one incorporates some ballet moves, kind of, sorta. It's ballet inspired. So we're gonna hop into that. It's been a while, so please don't judge my form. Okay, so for starters, let's just get the video up and watch the video together so you can see what I have to do. Okay. Okay. Alright. Those really hurt. Okay, these really hurt. Alright, alrighty. I'm just going to get started with this, and then that's it. It says to repeat this 4 times, so I'm just going to do this whole round. I'm not going to show you me doing like all 4 times, because then it'd just be me repeating it 4 times, and you might just be like, we get it. So you guys are just going to have to trust me here, but this is what I'm about to do. I'm going to stop talking, because I feel like I keep just going around the mulberry bush. Going to the bar and butterfly squats. Alright, it's hot. It's hot. It is hot. We're going to go back to my lovely bed and have a chat. Alright, so I am sore. I am in pain. Basically, the first video, it absolutely killed me. Those abs, wow. So definitely, if you are interested in feeling a lower ab burn, do that. Just do it. You will feel it, especially if you're a beginner like me. I am not in the best shape. As you guys know, I am a beginner. Well, I'm not a beginner, but I'm like a recovering intermediate, I guess is a way to put it. The second video, which was the glute video, also kicked my tushy. No pun intended, but it really did kick my butt. I felt the burn in every muscle in my tushy that I could feel, and I believe that if I were to like do this constantly, my booty would see some differences and some changes for sure. Third video, which was the arm video, was really good. The only thing is it didn't tell us how many reps it wanted us to do, so that was a little confusing, but the workouts were good. I also wasn't sure if prayer should be like together or if I could have my arms apart. I maybe wasn't just paying attention, so that's a little challenging, but nevertheless it was a really good workout. I think the most burning part of the workout that I felt were the twists. I've never done that before, and good lord oh my, it burned. If you want a good burn, especially like right here in your shoulders and the upper parts of your arms, do that. Just repeat it until you just can't do it anymore, and you will feel it. Now the last workout, which was like the plies and the inner thigh workout, it just brought back flashbacks. I have flashbacks, guys. I have memories that I just didn't want to remember from ballet. All jokes aside, it was a good workout. There's a reason why people hate ballet sometimes, because it really does work you out and it is so difficult. So that's the reason these ballet inspired moves work so well. And ballet really focuses a lot on your whole body, but your legs have to be so strong because they're doing all the work, while your upper body is just flowy and graceful and just taking its time. So yeah, I don't know how long this video's turned out to be. Hopefully it's long enough to entertain you guys. I am tempted to redo the Chloe Ting 2-week ab challenge, because as you guys know, if you've looked through the comments, at the time, for some reason, don't ask, I don't know why, I was under the impression that you only did one video. So I was like, all right, so there's a whole program, and maybe, I feel like she even said that at the beginning of the video, but it still just did not click for 2 weeks, guys, 2 weeks. So I'm tempted to redo that, but the full program. So if you're interested, let me know. If you feel like me posting that is just beating a dead horse, just trying to like repost the same videos some people might see, also let me know. But if you're interested in that, just let me know and I will think about posting it. If you want to see any other challenge videos, please give me some inspiration in the comments down below, because I would really appreciate your guys' thoughts and opinions on what you would love to see. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe down below to let me know that you like what I had to show. And I hope you're having an amazing rest of your day. And I will see you in my next video, which will be coming out on Thursday, which is my room transformation video. So I am honestly just talking about it makes me so excited. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I hope you will enjoy my video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.